Welcome to our video on the biggest myths about AI, debunking common misconceptions. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been a buzzword for quite some time now, and it's easy to get carried away with all the hype surrounding it. From sci-fi movies to news reports, we've been fed all sorts of myths and misconceptions about AI that have only added to the confusion. But what's the truth behind these myths? In this video, we'll be debunking some of the most common misconceptions about AI, separating fact from fiction, and setting the record straight. So, if you're curious about what AI can and cannot do, and want to learn the truth about this fascinating field, stick around. Myth number 10, AI will clear up all our problems. The remaining fantasy we prefer to debunk is that AI will clear up all of our problems. While AI has the conceivable to carry about full-size advances in many areas, it is now not a magic answer that can restore everything. Occasionally the hype around AI can lead to unrealistic expectations and disappointment when these expectations are now not met. AI is a tool, and like any tool, it has limitations. It's essential to be aware that AI structures are solely as excellent as the records they are skilled on, and they can be biased or make errors simply like humans. For example, facial cognizant structures have been proven to be much less correct in figuring out humans of color, and advice algorithms can create filter bubbles that improve current biases. Myth number 9, AI is usually objective and unbiased. Another frequent false impression about AI is that it is usually goal and unbiased. While AI structures can analyze widespread quantities of information and become aware of patterns that people may miss, they are solely as impartial as the records they are skilled on. If the facts used to educate an AI machine are biased or incomplete, the gadget itself will probably be biased as well. Myth number 8, AI will take away all our jobs. One of the most common fears related to AI is that it will take away all our jobs. While it is authentic that AI has the viable to automate sure duties and roles, it is not likely that it will substitute all human jobs entirely. Firstly, AI is now not a single technological know-how or system, but instead a series of unique strategies and tools. Some AI functions are higher acceptable for automating events or repetitive tasks, such as fax entry or meeting line work. However, many jobs require a mixture of technical skills, creativity, emotional intelligence, and problem-solving skills that are challenging to replicate with AI. So, while AI may also automate sure duties and roles, it is not going to change all human jobs entirely. To put together the future of work, it is integral to make investments in education and schooling packages that equip people with the abilities and understanding wished for the jobs of tomorrow. Myth number 7, AI is usually costly and complicated to implement. Another common false impression about AI is that it is usually steeply priced and complicated to implement. While some AI purposes can be expensive and require specialized expertise, there are additionally many AI technology and options that are reachable and easy to use. For example, cloud-based AI offerings such as Google Cloud AI and Amazon Web Services provide a variety of pre-built AI fashions and equipment that can be without problems built into present applications. Additionally, many AI structures provide drag-and-drop interfaces that permit customers to create customized fashions and functions except for widespread coding knowledge. Myth number 6, AI can substitute human creativity. Another frequent fantasy about AI is that it can change human creativity. While AI can generate content material such as music, art, and writing, it is vital to apprehend that this content material is nonetheless primarily based on algorithms and regulations set using humans. Human creativity is complicated and multifaceted, incorporating elements such as emotions, intuition, and non-public experiences. While AI can simulate positive components of creativity, it can't replicate the special point of view and creativeness of a human creator. Moreover, the output generated by using AI is frequently confined by way of the facts it has been skilled on. While AI can generate content material that resembles current patterns or genres, it may additionally battle to create genuinely authentic or groundbreaking work. Rather than changing human creativity, AI has the practicability to decorate it. AI equipment such as herbal language processing and information evaluation can assist people to generate and refine innovative ideas, whilst additionally supplying insights and remarks on target market engagement and response. Myth number 5, AI is infallible and unbiased. One of the riskiest myths about AI is that it is infallible and unbiased. While AI can system widespread quantities of statistics and discover patterns that people would possibly miss, it is essential to take note that AI algorithms are solely as correct as the statistics they are skilled on. Biases in the information or the algorithm itself can result in inaccurate or unfair outcomes. For example, AI structures that are educated on historic statistics may additionally replicate previous prejudices and biases. This can lead to discriminatory results in areas such as hiring, lending, and crook justice. To fight these issues, it is necessary to make certain that AI structures are educated on various consultant records units and frequently audited for biases. Myth number 4, AI is the silver bullet solution. Another frequent fantasy about AI is that it is a silver bullet answer that can resolve any problem. While AI can be an effective device for addressing a large variety of issues, it is essential to understand that it is now not a panacea. AI is solely as nice as the trouble it is being used to clear up and the information it has to get right of entry to. Additionally, AI options can create new challenges and unintended penalties that need to be addressed. To get the most out of AI, it is vital to discover unique issues that can gain from AI options and enhance a clear method for imposing and evaluating these solutions. Myth number 3, AI is the latest invention. Contrary to famous belief, AI is no longer a current invention. The thinking of synthetic talent dates again to the 1950s, and early AI purposes such as specialist structures and speech consciousness have been developed in the 70s and 1980s. While AI has made substantial growth in current years thanks to advances in computing electricity and fax availability, many of the underlying principles and methods have been around for decades. Myth number 2, AI will surpass human intelligence. One of the most chronic myths about AI is that it will surpass the human brain and end up uncontrollable or dangerous. While AI has made enormous development in areas such as photo consciousness and herbal language processing, it is not going to surpass the human brain in the foreseeable future. AI is designed to function with unique duties and functions and is restricted via the facts it has to get admission to and the algorithms it is skilled on. While AI can analyze and adapt over time, it is nevertheless a lengthy way from reaching real familiar intelligence. Moreover, AI is finally managed via human beings and situations to rules and moral guidelines. As AI continues to evolve, it is essential to make certain that it is developed and used in an accountable and obvious manner. Myth number 1, AI will lead to the giving up of humanity. Perhaps the largest fable about AI is that it will lead to the giving up of humanity, both through a catastrophic failure or a deliberate uprising. While AI does current dangers and challenges, there is no proof to endorse that it poses an existential danger to humanity. As with any effective technology, it is necessary to strategy AI with warning and foresight and to strengthen and enforce it in an accountable and moral manner. By doing so, we can free up the many advantages that AI has to provide whilst minimizing the dangers and challenges. And there you have it, 10 of the biggest myths about AI debunked. While AI is an incredibly powerful and transformative technology, it's important to approach it with a clear-eyed understanding of what it can and cannot do. Thank you for joining us today to explore the biggest myths about AI. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on the latest developments in technology and science. Until next time, keep learning and questioning the world around you.